Ready to take your everyday life to the next level with some truly game-changing tech? From smart home upgrades to portable power solutions, we've rounded up 15 must-have gadgets that blend innovation with practicality. Whether you're tech-savvy or just love cool gadgets, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below about which gadget tops your wish list. Tile Pro, misplacing your keys, wallet, or phone is a thing of the past with Tile Pro. This handy Bluetooth tracker attaches to almost anything and pairs with your smartphone, helping you locate lost items with ease. With a 400-foot range, loud ringer, and a replaceable battery, Tile Pro ensures that nothing stays lost for long. Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug 2. The Ember Smart Mug 2 is perfect for anyone who takes their coffee or tea seriously. With precise temperature control, you can keep your drink hot for up to 1.5 hours on a single charge or all day with the charging coaster. Customize the temperature right from your smartphone, so your drink is always just the way you like it. Philips Hue Smart Lighting. Change the ambience of your room at the touch of a button with Philips Hue Smart Lighting. These smart bulbs offer millions of color options, dimming capabilities, and can be controlled via an app, voice assistant, or even preset schedules. Whether you're looking to boost productivity, relax, or host a party, Philips Hue lights set the mood perfectly. Anker PowerCore 26,800 portable charger. Never run out of battery again with the Anker PowerCore 26,800, a high-capacity portable charger that can recharge most smartphones over 6 times. Featuring multiple USB ports and rapid charging technology, this power bank is essential for travelers, commuters, and anyone who relies on their devices throughout the day. Wyze Cam V3. Keep an eye on your home with the Wyze Cam V3, a compact, budget-friendly security camera that delivers 1080p video, two-way audio, and night vision. It's weather-resistant, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. With motion detection and customizable alerts, you can monitor your space from anywhere via the Wyze app. Oculus Quest 3. Step into virtual worlds with the Oculus Quest 3, the latest standalone VR headset from Meta. With higher resolution, improved controllers, and even more immersive experiences, this device lets you game, explore, and socialize in ways you've never imagined. No PC or console required, just pure VR freedom. Roomba i7 Plus Robot Vacuum. Let Roomba i7 Plus take care of your floors while you focus on what matters most. This advanced robot vacuum not only cleans on a schedule, but also empties itself into a base station, so you don't have to touch dust and debris for weeks. Smart mapping technology learns the layout of your home, ensuring every room is spotless. Kindle Paperwhite. For book lovers, the Kindle Paperwhite is a must-have. With a glare-free screen that reads like real paper, adjustable warm light, and weeks-long battery life, it's the perfect way to enjoy your favorite books anywhere, anytime. Plus, it's waterproof, so you can read by the pool or in the bath without worry. Google Nest Hub Max. Control your smart home, watch videos, make video calls, and get visual answers to your questions with the Google Nest Hub Max. Its 10-inch HD screen and powerful speakers make it perfect for any room, while built-in Google Assistant keeps you connected and organized. Fitbit Charge 5. Stay on top of your health and fitness goals with the Fitbit Charge 5. This sleek tracker monitors your heart rate, sleep, stress, and even your skin temperature. With built-in GPS and a vibrant color touchscreen, it's an all-in-one solution for a healthier lifestyle. Apple AirTag. For Apple users, AirTag is the ultimate item tracker. Easily attach it to your keys, bags, or even your pet, and use the Find My app to keep tabs on your belongings. With precision finding, even locating items in close proximity is a breeze. Logitech MXM3. Upgrade your workspace with the Logitech MXM3, a mouse that's built for comfort and productivity. With customizable buttons, ultra-fast scrolling, and the ability to control multiple devices simultaneously, it's perfect for anyone who spends a lot of time at their computer. Nanoleaf Shapes. Add a futuristic touch to your home with Nanoleaf Shapes. These modular light panels can be arranged in countless designs, offering interactive touch controls and the ability to sync with your music or screen. Whether you're looking to enhance your gaming setup or create a stunning art piece, Nanoleaf has you covered. GoPro Hero 11 Black. Whether you're diving, skiing, or just capturing life's moments, the GoPro Hero 11 Black is your go-to camera. With 5.3K video, advanced stabilization, and waterproofing up to 33 feet, this action camera is built for adventure. Share your footage instantly with the GoPro app and relive your experiences in stunning clarity. Anova Precision Cooker. Elevate your cooking game with the Anova Precision Cooker, a sous vide device that lets you cook restaurant-quality meals at home. Simply set your desired temperature and let the cooker do the work, ensuring perfectly cooked meats, veggies, and more every time. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned chef, this gadget makes gourmet cooking accessible. These 15 gadgets are more than just cool. They're designed to make your life easier, more efficient, and a lot more fun. So, which one are you adding to your cart first? Don't forget to like,